Hi viewers, welcome to NTU Open House 2020. I'm Go Chaiti, the person overseeing the double degree program in Biomedical Sciences and Chinese Medicine. In this video clip, I'm going to share with you basic information about the double degree program. This program was started in 2005. It was a collaboration between NTU and the Beijing University of Chinese Medicine in China. The program consists of classroom teachings as well as internship either at our NTU Chinese Medicine Clinic and also the Beijing Dongfang Hospital. The objectives of this program is to train and nurture a new generations of TCM physicians who are well versed in Chinese medicine as well as modern Western knowledge in biomedical sciences, and also to train researchers who might be interested to develop in the field of healthcare and life sciences. If you look at the program syllabus, it consists of 1, 2, 3 years to be taught in NTU and another 2 years to be taught in the Beijing University of Chinese Medicine. And those items shown in pink are the biomedical sciences subjects, and these subjects will be taught in English. And those items in light blue, these are the TCM subjects to be taught also at NTU, but the TCM subjects will be taught by professors from the Beijing University of Chinese Medicine. At the end of year 3, all students will have a complete final year project. The syllabus for year 4 and 5 consists of all TCM subjects, and students will have to travel to Beijing University of Chinese Medicine to complete their year 4 and 5. And the TCM subjects in year 4 and 5 are mainly consisting of individual specialized subjects, and also they will be involved a lot of time in internship at the Dongfang Hospital. At the end of the 5 years of study, there will be a TCM licensing exam where the graduates can register and sit for the exam, and if they pass the exam, they will be given a TCM practicing license by the Singapore Ministry of Health TCM Practitioners Board. So students will complete year 5 around middle of the year, and they would return to Singapore. And while they are here with us again, we will train them and prepare them for the TCM licensing exam. The application eligibility, basically these are quite similar to most other subjects, which include GC A-levels, poly diplomas, IB holders, and US high school diploma holders, mature applicants or other applicants. Well, there are other admission requirements though. For this particular program, it is not open to individuals who are from Taiwan, Hong Kong, Macau, or mainland China. And also for those who has color blindness, they are not allowed to take this program. This table shows the tuition fee. For this program, the tuition fee for first 3 years will be payable to NTU, whereas the fee for the last 2 years will be payable to the Beijing University of Chinese Medicine with renminbi. Of course, if you look at the fees payable to NTU, there are differences between citizens, PR, international students, as well as non-subsidized students, mainly because of government subsidy on university fees. Well, for this program, there are a lot of scholarships where students may apply to. For the first 3 years, there are the usual university scholarships, Nanyang scholarships, ASEAN scholarships, so on and so forth. Are also other scholarships offered by the local TCM institutions, particularly for the students in this program. Whereas for year 4 and 5, there are also scholarships available, and these are mainly scholarships offered by Yu Yan Sang, Tongzhai Medical Institutions, as well as the BUCM scholarship. And in addition to all this, actually there could also be postgraduate scholarships offered by the Beijing University of Chinese Medicine. So for this program itself, there are plenty of scholarships available for applications. Now, besides scholarships, there are also loans and bursaries available. So if you can just look at the list, and then if you need to, you can always approach them for inquiry or send in your applications. Well, just let me talk a little bit about the licensing exams. Well, to practice TCM in Singapore, one has to have a license, right? To get a license, first of all, one has to graduate from a recognized university, either from local or from overseas recognized university, of which Beijing is one of those. So for students in this program, after they have completed their studies in Beijing, they return to Singapore and they have to complete a total of 403 hours of local internship before they can register for the exam, which is called STRE, Singapore TCM Physicians Registration Exam. Well, when students are back here, before they take the exam, our university, particularly our clinic, will prepare them for the exam, including offer them the internship, as well as conduct revision classes, and also a few mock exams, so that they are well prepared before they go for the examination. And so far, the passing rates for our graduates are the highest among all institutions taking this same exam. Okay, having understood how TCM practice in Singapore, well, you may be interested in knowing how TCM fares in the world, in the global arena. Here I'm going to share with you a few pieces of important information. First of all, in 2003, TCM was officially recognized by the World Health Organization as one of the important treatment for a number of diseases. So the World Health Organization has actually come out and listed with the names of all those diseases. Now, other than that, just last year, WHO has adopted TCM into its global compendium, which is ICD-11. That is the book shown on the top right corner. In these publications, they have actually included TCM diagnostic patterns as well as diseases in this publication, along with other conditions in Western medicine. All right, so this is a good indication that WHO has incorporated more information and more acceptance of acupuncture and also Chinese medicine in the world arena. Besides all this, in 2015, as we all know, that Madame Tu Youyou discovered the use of artemisinin for the treatment of malaria, and as a result of that, she has won a Nobel Prize in physiology or medicine. Now, other than all this, well, by looking around on what's happening recently, we notice that there are more and more TCM programs set up by colleges and universities all over the world, including many of these in the Western world. Now, recently, I'm sure you know about COVID-19. All right, so many people may be wondering what has TCM done in this outbreak. Here I'm going to quote to you the latest publication by the National Health Commission of PRC, dated 18 February 2020. That means this is the latest edition, published only a few days ago. And in this edition, they have listed out the basic information about COVID-19 and also list out the various methods of treatment, which include, first of all, the ordinary treatments, and then secondary treatment for severe and critical cases. For the ordinary treatments and severe cases, they mainly use Western medicine. And of course, for severe cases, they'll be put in the ICU and with all the ICU protocols. The interesting thing here is that the TCM treatments are officially included in this publication, and this is shown to the whole world that TCM is actually formally recognized and used in this particular situation. And according to some reports, those hospitals which has making use of TCM, Chinese medicine, or in conjunction with Western medicines, tend to fare better in terms of cure rate. So this is again another good indication on the progress of TCM in the world arena. That's about all I'm going to share with you in this slide. If you have any further inquiries, you may WhatsApp us or email us. Here I thank you very much for your attention. Bye-bye.